Gregg Shorthand Writing for Beginners. Lesson for today is Lesson 60. It is oral reading with applied some example words based from the principles of oy, mn, ye, and ya. Dear sir, if your car is 5 or 6 years old, it may not be as good looking or as smooth riding or as efficient as it once was, period. It might even be a safety hazard, period. You might be wise to order a new car instead of having your old one repaired, paragraph. You can arrange the finance for a new car at the Reliable Finance Corporation, where in Troy, period. We will be glad to arrange a loan for you that you can take 36 months to repay, period. It is easy to arrange a well-planned loan, period. It will take less than half an hour, period. Sincerely yours. Our next topic is brief forms and then words beginning. Hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and keep safe everyone. Bye-bye!